second. Oh, okay. Hey everyone, this is Divisha Agrawal and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Q&A video. So a few days ago, I put up a story on my Instagram asking my followers to ask me a bunch of questions about me, of course. And I'm going to try and address all of these in this video today. And that's about it. So let's begin. Ek second. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it because I make videos about fashion, travel, lifestyle and beauty. So you'll have a lot of fun here, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. And also in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys like I talk to my other friends, which is a fair combination of Hindi and English. So I hope you guys don't mind it. And okay, so let's jump into the questions now. I have shortlisted a few questions in here and I'm going to answer them one by one. So first question, favorite music genre? Alright, ये थोड़ा सा tricky है because generally like I listen to music according to my mood. ऐसा कोई specific genre नहीं है that I just love and you know I enjoy all the time. No, it's not like that. But there are a few songs, those are my favorite and I keep listening to them. I mean, I know it sounds a little boring, but it is what it is, right? And apart from that, I enjoy like soft music and you know music which is like really calming and you know things like that. So that's it, I think. Yeah. Next question. Favorite place for cheesecake? Okay. Cheesecake. I think like there are a lot of places in Pune that I absolutely love for cheesecakes. There is Ganache, there is K Factory, Pune Baking Company, a lot of places, a lot actually. So, but if I have to pick one, then K Factory. Definitely it's K Factory because वो मेरा first cheesecake था and I actually fell in love with that dessert. So, Philadelphia cheesecake from K Factory. Punekars, go try it. Okay, next question. Who's my inspiration? Okay, so ऐसा करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. So first is like inspiration in life and second is like inspiration work wise. So in life it has to be my parents because you know they inspire me every day in every aspect of life, and also my sisters, they are great. And work wise as in blogging and everything, then it has to be like okay, it has to be Sejal Kumar for sure, Ashna Shroff, Masoom Wala and Best Dressed. These are like you know my top favorites because they are great at what they do and they inspire me to you know making videos and you know blogging in general. So yes. Alright, so next question is what web series would you recommend? Web series, alright. This is a bad question, I would say. I mean, not bad, but the thing is that I don't watch a lot of web series. I know it's a little out there, but I have not watched any series in this quarantine, so you know that I don't watch any series. But if I have to recommend, then it has to be Friends. That's my all-time favorite, and if you haven't watched it already, go watch it today, go watch it now. It's totally worth your time and it will make you laugh for sure. And apart from that, it has to be White Collar because that show is amazing. Girls, watch it for Neil Caffrey, you'll love it. Yes, so these two are like nice series that you can check out. And I can recommend a few movies if you want. Let me know if you want to know my movie recommendations. I can recommend movies. Alright, next question. Any plans for Miss India? No. I actually don't plan to go for any beauty pageant because I don't think they are my thing, yaar. You know, like I don't think beauty pageants are something that's made for me. I actually thought about it a few months ago, but it's actually not my thing and that's why I didn't go ahead with it. So no beauty pageants for me or Miss India for me, no. Alright, next question is, what's your age? Why don't you tell me how old do I look? I think I look just 18 or something, but sadly I'm 22 now. So yeah, 22. That's my age. What are your future plans? Future plans, okay. This is an interesting question. अच्छा question है. Future plans में क्या हो सकता है यार? Future plans mostly, currently I'm just focusing on blogging and YouTubing and making videos because बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे content create करना and videos create करना, especially because it's fun. Editing, shooting, ideating, everything is fun. So काफ़ी मज़ा आता है उसमें. And उसके अलावा मैं फैशन में भी इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, सो आई वॉन्ट टू परस्यू इट, बट आई एम स्टिल थिंकिंग. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज एंड इफ समथिंग हैपन्स आई लेट यू गाइज नो. So yeah, I think that's about it. That's my future plans as of now. Okay, next question. What's my favorite dessert? Alright, so I think अब तक तुम लोग को पता चल ही गया है कि I love cheesecakes and that's like my top favorite dessert. But apart from that, I like dark chocolate desserts or chocolate desserts in general, chocolate pastries or cupcakes and things like that. Okay, next question. What's your dream? Alright, question अच्छा है and my dream has to be to become someone who is successful, happy and satisfied with whatever work that I'm doing. I just want to feel complete at the end of the day. ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि यार पूरा दिन क्या इतना ये सब काम किया, but I just want to feel कि हाँ okay, I was productive today and that makes me happy. So I want to be happy and satisfied with whatever work I'm doing, and that's one of my dreams. Long-term dreams would be, I want to travel the world. I want to see every place there is, and the world is beautiful and I just want to see that. It's my ultimate dream. So that's that. And okay, so last question of this video is weirdest interesting thing I have ever done. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I can't think of anything weird as such.
A few moments later.
Alright, okay. The weirdest interesting thing I have ever done or happened to me has to be that I haven't watched Game of Thrones yet. I know it's weird and you might hate me for this, but it's just not my kind and I don't plan to watch it in future as well because I don't enjoy it. And that's interesting because I belong to that 1-2% of population who haven't watched GOT yet. So I think it's pretty interesting. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I had so much fun shooting this video and answering all of your questions and interacting with you. If you have any more questions, do let me know and I'll make a similar video some other time. So yes, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please comment करके बताओ कैसा लगा and like करो, share करो और subscribe भी कर दो यार. So yeah, thank you. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.